And I'm going to put a central line here, and that will run. I like that. Same colours, just keep the continuity. And don't worry about, let's just flick a little bit in here. And just ask some of this paint to move. So, okay. And I'm going to do the same here. Let's get a couple of lines in here. Just, and I think I'm going to put another, I'm going to mirror this as if there's one behind there, I think. And flick a little bit, and I'm going to put another shape on the top, and I'm just going to catch this here. There we go. If you'd like to develop your watercolour skills, why not come and join me on one of my new online watercolour courses? They're available from my website now, fionapeart.com. Just click on the online courses and have a look at which one you fancy doing.